Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Huawei Y7 Prime 2018, let's go for the folder with the tools right here, and then just tap on the sound recorder, click right here, and right now our smartphone is recording sounds. So if you want to stop, just click here, and right now we can rename our record, and we can decide what we want to do. We can go back and continue, we can save it and also delete. This is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.